What's up, Paradise Crew? My name is Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And if you're joining us for the first time, you're probably wondering, like, why the heck are we at Best Buy? We're gonna get to those tips, like, real soon, I promise you. The top 10 tips of, like, if you're a first-time cruiser, that, we're gonna let you know. But she needs a new camera, and we're content creators, so we kinda gotta kill two birds with one stone. So the first tip is, obviously, bring your travel documents with you. Your passport, your license, that good stuff. Make sure it's current, make sure it's up to date. Check those numbers, it's important. Let's go inside.
Okay, so the second tip is to make sure you are prepared for embarkation. So that means doing your online check-in ahead of time and printing out all of your documents.
All right, the next tip is you want to bring cash, specifically small bills for tipping. We're done with Best Buy, we're gonna go to Walmart. All right, we are at the grocery store right now, life of a creator. The next tip that you guys need to know, first time cruiser, is you need to check the packing rules for the cruise. Overly big bottles of water, maybe you can't bring water on the ship. What else?
Fans, some cruise lines won't let you bring on fans, so
okay.
just check the rules of what you can and can't bring.
Yep, that's all we got. Let's go get some groceries.
You're going to want to make sure you plan your port days. So you don't have to take an excursion, but I wouldn't wing it either. So go ahead and think out what you might want to do. And remember, you don't even have to get off the ship if you don't want to.
The next tip is super simple. Just make sure you have a watch, okay? I know, just take my word for it, have a watch. Sometimes the port times and the ship times are different from each other, and you just kind of need to know the time.
Also, some specialty restaurants have different dress codes, so if you want to participate in any of those dining options, I would definitely check the dress codes.
Getting a little hungry. Now, the next step, you actually need a power strip, okay? Nothing with surge protection, because they'll take those from you, but a power strip, okay? Because there's only like 2 outlets in the entire room. Keep that in mind too.
Remember, you can eat as much as you want on this cruise. You paid for it all, eat away. However, don't forget to walk it off. You can get a little full and a little bloated, and you want to enjoy your cruise. So do that.
One trip! Guys, the last tip is actually just make sure you bring a reusable water bottle, right? Something super simple. We like the coldest water bottle. Comes in a variety of sizes, super affordable. You don't have to spend tons of money on anything. So that's all I got.
So as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.